Okay, I'm showing off my little handiwork here. I converted this food dehydrator into a filament dryer. And the way you do it is you cut the center out of this this one ring here, and that'll give you, that way you can set two of them together and dry your filament. You can set a roll down in there and it'll fit, where if you didn't, it'd pop the rings apart. But that gives it enough room to do roll. Now this one here I printed out of PETG, and it's really flimsy. I should have printed it a couple of, maybe a millimeter thick or so. But hindsight's 20/20, I guess. So it'll do 3 rolls at a time the way it is, and I got it at a Amazon return center, and one of the rings were broke. Didn't need it anyway. You can't use 5 of them. You got a odd number. So anyway, thought I'd show it off. I don't get to show stuff off very often.